Hi, I am going to talk on the classification of amines. Amines have been classified into four categories. Primary amines. Primary amines will always have one carbon nitrogen bond and two nitrogen hydrogen bonds. Secondary amines will have two carbon nitrogen bonds and one nitrogen hydrogen bond. Tertiary amines will have only three carbon nitrogen bonds and no nitrogen hydrogen bond. Quaternary 4 CN bonds, nitrogen has a positive formal charge. So now these are the examples of primary, secondary and tertiary. So you can figure out which one is primary, which one is secondary, which one is tertiary and quaternary. So these are some of the examples of the amines, common names. So diethyl methylamine, the first one, and the second one is diphenylamine, which is an aromatic secondary amine. Amine as a substituent. So now, uh, so if you look at the formula of this compound, so just because it has a nitrogen NH2 group, we cannot call this as an amine because it has a carboxylic functional group also. So from among the various functional groups, so the carboxylic acid functional group tops the list. Therefore, priority must be given to the carboxylic acid. The formula, the name of this compound must end with acid instead of an amine. So these are aromatic amines. When an amino group is attached to aromatic ring like benzene, we call them as aromatic amines. So for example, NH2 group is attached to benzene, which we call aminobenzene or aniline. This is N and diethyl aniline and para-toluidine. And these are heterocyclic amines. Heterocyclic amines, so the organic molecules containing nitrogen in addition to carbon and hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, phosphorus, etc. These are called heteroatoms. They are highly electronegative atoms. Normally they will have more non-bonding electrons in them. When organic compound contains atoms like nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, phosphorus, etc., they are called heterocyclic compounds.